Hello everyone. Today I'm doing a quality comparison video with the 12-inch table fans that we have in the house. The first one we have here is a 2010 Hawaiian Breeze fan from Walmart. As you can see, it's rather flimsy, pretty light to be honest. Anyways, I have it lined up with the carpet. I'm going to be having it blowing those blades. So let's get started. I'm going to be doing these all on high speed. We're getting something. Next, we have a retro-styled Hunter table fan, which is also from 2010. This one came from Target. As you can see, it's all metal. But let's see if it blows enough air. So. Blades are turned. Remember, it's on high speed. I'm not getting anything. And finally, we have the 99 Holmes Table fan. Go. As you can see, this one blows a lot more air. Yeah, look at those blades. So here's another video that just further proves how terrible modern fans are. Even with the retro style fans, they don't blow enough air. So really, they're just not worth it. You want a good table fan? Go to eBay or Goodwill, because you're just wasting your money.